And Ernie and Candice, it's all about who's going to be taking credit. Crime is down. No one disputes that. But when you ask the mayor, as you said, he says this has been a team effort, that the programs the city has put in place have helped get the city to the point where it's at right now. The Paterson Police Department will remain under state control thanks to a carefully worded state Supreme Court decision.
Every form of violent crime is down.
New Jersey State Attorney General Matthew Platkin taking a victory lap during a news conference Tuesday in front of police headquarters.
My office's decision to supersede the Paterson Police Department was lawful and consistent with the laws of the state of New Jersey.
That may be true, but in a unanimously decided 30-page ruling, the court also clearly explains that its decision is based simply on the existence of the state legislature's involvement. In fact, the court ruling explicitly does not address the question of whether AG Platkin's office actually had the power to take over a municipal police department, and deferred to lawmakers. Quote, "This appeal raises significant questions about the Attorney General's claim that he may supersede and take control of an entire law enforcement agency whenever he determines that step to be appropriate. The legislature has the authority to address those questions directly and clarify its intent and expectations should it decide to do so."
The path that I see going forward is that obviously he's not going to be the Attorney General in about 5 months.
Paterson Mayor Andre Saya still objects to the state's initial PD takeover in 2023, following a series of high-profile, controversial, and fatal police encounters. That includes the police killing of violence interrupter Najee Seabrooks during a mental health crisis inside his apartment.
You can't police all your problems away. We have introduced creative programs.
Paterson community activist Zelly Thomas.
Unfortunately, we still don't have that much accountability or transparency even after the state takeover.
When asked directly if there was a date, a set date, or at least a time period when the city of Paterson would get to have control of its police department back, AG Platkin would not commit. And as you heard in the story, Mayor Saya is just simply trying to run out the clock. He's hoping that New Jersey's next governor will appoint an AG in the fall that will finally give control of the police department back to the city of Paterson. We're live in Paterson this evening. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.
All right, Jay, thank you.